Good day, sir. I am Christian Lakaya together with Jan Carlagapa. We're here to explain the method of transferring and receiving information using visual signaling of single letters specified in the International Code of Signal Annex 4. Annex 4 International Distress Signals. The International Code Signals (ICS) is a standardized system using for maritime communication, particularly for signaling distress. Annex 4 of the ICS especially outlines international distress signals. While Annex 4 focuses on distress signals, the ICS is a whole uses single-letter visual signals for broader communication. Visual signaling with single-letter in the ICS. Transmission. Single-letter signals are transmitted using plugs, lights, or hand signals. Plug signaling. Each letter of the alphabet is presented by a specific flag. These plugs are hosted in Hilliard, and combinations of plugs convey messages. For example, the plug N might indicate no or negative, while C can indicate a yes or affirmative. Flashing light signaling. Morse code can be used with a light source of a flashlight or signals lamp. Each letter is represented by a series of dots, short flashes and dashes, long flashes. Hand signals. Specific hand movements can represent letters. Reception. The receiving station must be able to interpret the visual signals. Acknowledgement. Upon receiving a signal, the receiving vessel hoists of the answering pennant halfway up the halyard to indicate the signal has been seen. Once the message is understood, the pennant is raised fully. Response to unclear signals. If the signals is unclear, the receiving vessel keeps the answering pennant halfway up. If the signal is recognized but not understood, the receiving vessel can use specific signals to indicate the transmission was unclear, prompting the sender to repeat.
Distress signal in Annex 4. Annex 4 focus on distress signals. These signals are designed to be easily recognizable and convey urgency. Some examples include SOS in Morse code. This is well-known distress signal. Mayday, spoken over. This is the internationally recognized distress call. NC, or need of assistance. This is a specific ICS signal for distress. Square flag with a ball above or below. This is a visual distress signal. Conclusion. The ICS, including Annex 4, provide a vital framework for a maritime communication, particularly in emergencies. Single-letter visual signal, along with other methods, ensure that vital messages regarding safety and distress are conveyed quickly and clearly.